It's Michelle from Honest and Truly, and I'm excited to have another unboxing video for you here. This is for the Neato Robotics D10 vacuum that I got sent as part of a review program, and I cannot wait to see what's inside because I've had 3 robot vacuums in my life from 3 different brands, and I have to say the Neato one that I have, which is a very old model, is my favorite. And I know they've made so many advances since I first got that one, and I cannot wait to see what this one actually looks like. So first of all, I have to say the back package itself is not super heavy, but it is definitely well packed in there because nothing shakes, because, you know, I shake it. Don't you shake things? And it's also well packaged, so this is going to be fun to get open. And obviously, if you do shake it, you want to be careful and gentle with it. You don't want to drop it. You don't want to spin it too hard and get damage to it. So yes, it's definitely well packaged. The perfect size box for the box inside. So inside we have the D10 in all its glory. And then once I open this, so this part does not have anything in it, which is good. So I can just recycle this. And then inside, the actual vacuum comes nicely packaged, so it's going to stay safe and dust-free. It is the same D shape as the other vacuums, which means that it can get into corners a whole lot better than other stuff. And I can already tell by looking at it that it's fairly low profile, so it should not be getting stuck underneath my couch, my dishwasher, my refrigerator, my tall buffet in my dining room, etc., etc. I cannot, with my most vacuums, the Neato being the exception, leave my house and vacuum because they get stuck everywhere. This one, the only thing I will say is this part right here seems to stick up a little bit more than what I'm used to. So I'll have to see how it works out. But clearly there is a pretty well put together vacuum. Some different things to take apart. I do notice the one that I had a big screen right here that was your menu that you went through. This one does not, which tells me I'm going to be using an app, which I already knew. The box also contains its charging station, which is small and looks very similar to the one that I have currently with my Neato. I have I'm assuming my shortcut instructions, my what's in the box, my quick start guide, and my important information manual. So those are what is in here. I also have my, I can't think of what the name is for them right now, filters. So these are 2 replacement filters that will be going because the Neato vacuum is, of course, a HEPA filter. So you got to clean that out and replace them periodically. And then the last thing that comes in the box is the cord. This part goes into the wall. This part is going to plug in here so that the charging base has power to actually charge it. So I'm pretty excited. I know that I am going to need to charge this sucker up before I truly start using it. I cannot wait to do that. Oh, and then the one other thing I will tell you, because this is US, it has the correct power cord here. I'm going to assume, don't know for sure, that they give you different ones if you live in places that have other power pieces. Snaps in there. That was easy enough to do once I didn't have it upside down. And other than that, I am good to go. I'm going to charge this up, and if you check back, you'll be able to see a video pretty soon that talks through how the vacuum actually worked, as well as how you need to use the vacuum and helpful tips and things to know. Have any questions? Let me know. I'll make sure to answer them in future videos or in my blog post. And make sure that you check out that blog post, because not only am I an affiliate for Neato Robotics, which means that I may earn a commission if you purchase through any links, but I have discount codes so that you can get your Neato Robotics D10 and other vacuums and supplies at a discounted price. So go ahead, Leave your comments, you know what to do, and I'll talk to you soon.